After 3 months of testing, Asus just dropped something big. Android 16 is finally here, and if you own a Zenfone 12 Ultra or an ROG Phone 9, your device is about to feel brand new. This is the finalized Android 16 update, version 36.0810.1810.43, a hefty download of over 1 gigabyte. Today, we're breaking down everything that's new, what's been fixed, and what you should watch out for before you update. Like most major updates, this one is rolling out in stages, so don't panic if your device hasn't pinged you yet. It could take a few days or even a couple of weeks until the notification lands. First up, system navigation. Asus has refined the entire navigation experience, making gesture controls feel smoother and more intuitive. A long press of the power button now brings up your digital assistant, giving you quicker access to commands and queries. A small but handy addition, the skip countdown button in the screen recorder. No more waiting for that 3-second timer when you need to capture something instantly. As for fixes, one major issue has been addressed. Some users reported no sound during calls when using Bluetooth headsets. That glitch has now been eliminated, improving call reliability across the board. If you're on an ROG Phone 9, you're getting even more love. Asus has refreshed an entire lineup of game profiles, revamped AirTrigger configurations, and updated macro profiles for better performance and more precise control in your favorite games. However, Asus does note one important caveat. Some third-party apps may not be fully compatible with Android 16 just yet. This is normal with early major OS releases, so a few apps may need updates before they behave as expected. So if you're rocking a Zenfone 12 Ultra or an ROG Phone 9, Android 16 is rolling out now, and it's bringing real upgrades. Keep an eye out for that update notification and enjoy the smoother, smarter experience.